Na wasansem gwemu so no minority ye wo mrahwebedwafie ye NDC hunu ne se aban no kwan a wo fa so ene IMF no odi ahyesu mu a wo so obie niema mu asa niema bi katasumu mu aso bi koso a ekuokume wo mrahwebedwafie NDC esusu se aban no ye efa IMF nsensem no ho eso obie mu nante ase ye adwuma obie ni hunu de ekoso Adom Kasee etwaso
Dom kuma o mrahwebedwafie kasa de afa sede nhyeya Ghana aban ni IMF no esi fe kono wo mu ndan ne madipefi emfa enkyere wo mu ya se wo mu kyerɛ dia eje Ghana de hye won sensemu na bra minority hwepo kasa won hyemu ko so mrahwebedwafie na wo kyerɛ se wo kwan Ghana aban ne si fe toto niema no anhwɛ de o man sikasɛm kwakogina bia bia ye ni enje ho wasansem we hunti no Dom kuma no ede sobo obo Ghana aban no so wa yenhwe ha ma niema bi ekobone ye betumi anam so amotwetwa dwumadie be yesa hansia mu ewo man mu.
The government have decided belatedly to IMF, but the arrogance of Dr. Bawumia and Ken Oforiatta and their opaque way of doing things is such that nobody knows exactly what they are taking to the negotiation. As we speak, we have a situation where Dr. Bawumia and Ken Oforiatta are the only ones probably who knows what they are negotiating. All they want is to decide that Ghanaians should pay a certain amount of money from their private sources to save them, which is the issue about the debt restructuring, which people are pushing against heavily. But there are other significant parts of the negotiation that are not known to Ghanaians, which are creating big anxiety, not only in Ghana, but across the globe.
Enuachi minority hwepo ne kasa ye de fa debt exchange program no eho ene said de won metade won sika ehye dwumadi ahodomu wo man mu no wo mogidie esifa etie na sadam kuma no etredia enam sa ban no de sika funyafunya na sika sem ne bi nso to ye nheda enkoye ni nti no won ma wa mono ne oman mu motade sika ehye dwumadi ahodomu wo man mu no sese won pese wo de won sika kura ebehye Ghana ban no ensem ebiem enam sika twetwiri dia osusu sa ban no edi ya COVID-19 sika no eka ho.
Let's see the principle and the measures you are taking to forestall a catastrophe. Without that, how are we supposed to support you in this endeavor? This is not the first time government of Ghana have gone to IMF, but this is probably the most opaque way of going to IMF. And this can only happen under the President Akufo-Addo, Dr. Bawumia government.